everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to use the sweep tool in both AutoCAD and Revit. Sweep is a powerful modeling tool that allows you to create 3D shapes by moving a 2D profile along a path. Let's get started with AutoCAD. Let's draw first different path. The start line, I'll enter. Draw a line. Let's draw an arc, enter. Now let's draw a polyline, any shape. Now we need the object, the shape. Let's say rectangle, circle. Now let's say another rectangle for this shape. Say sweep, enter. You select the object, the shape. Press enter. Now you select the path. Okay, let's continue. Sweep. Again, select the shape, the circle, enter. Select the path, enter. Let's also press sweep, enter. Select the shape. Now select the path, and that's it. To see in 3D, press on the wheel on the mouse and shift and rotate. Let's change to the style to be shaded, and that's it for sweep. You have the line, the arc, the irregular shape using polyline, and that's it for AutoCAD. Now let's start with Revit. How to do sweep in Revit. First, you go to the architecture tab. Below we go to the component, model in place. Let's say we want furniture. Set OK. Let's call it furniture 1, whatever. Okay, we go under create tab. We have sweep. We press on sweep. First, you have to sketch the path. Let's sketch the path, and let's say it's a line like this. Let's go like this. Let's say it has an arc. Okay. Now when you finish, press correct. The path is finished. Now we need to create the shape that with the profile that you want to sweep it. In Revit, they have default shapes you can use, or you can load the profile, or you can edit the profile. Let's say you want to edit the profile. It will take you to the east, north, and south and west elevation because they are perpendicular to the path. Let's say we want the east, and we open the view. Now we sketch. Let's sketch. Let's say it's a rectangle like this. Maybe it has a rectangle like this. Let's delete the shape and make it like this. The profile, it's like this. Press correct. And now the sweep is done. We press finish. How to see the sweep? View, 3D view. And now you see the profile that we swept. Let's make it shaded to see it clearly. That's how we sweep in Revit. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.